Kids with difficulty breathing and sleep apnea, they are rolling in their bed. They never stay stable in the bed. They take very funny position of the neck, turn the head to one side just to open up the airway. They get sweating while they are sleeping. Bedwetting as well is very usual among those kids. And they resist to wake up in the morning. Sleep deprivation in kids and children, apart from those unrested sleep, it's reflected very obviously in their performance next day. Simply you find child is irritated, irritable, either he is depressed, stay in the corner, or he's hyperactive. Child is eating too much, cannot control his appetite. So it usually shows a very low school performance. They're hyperactive or they are sleepy in the school. They show low grades. Children have sleep apnea or snoring usually because, as we mentioned, blockage of the airway. Blockage of the nose due to adenoid, blockage of the mouth cavity due to big tonsil simply prevent child from normal breathing. And that lead to this consequences of physical and emotional and behavioral problem. We have to tell parents, we don't remove tonsil and adenoid because they are infected only. Nowadays, it's more serious is the sleep deprivation and sleep apnea. It is really a very serious problem that can affect your child's school performance. A lot of kids, they are labeled as also slow learner or mentally not fit, not okay. So we don't want to see our kids like that. Learning disability, learning problem, unfortunately, cannot be corrected when you find it late. So you want to find this at very early stage and fix it as soon as possible.